2.2, day 2, we're going to graph using intercepts. We already have learned how to calculate the x and y intercept, and we can graph lines. So we're just putting the two things together. Okay, so 5x plus 4y equals 20 is in standard form. As a reminder, to find the x-intercept, we let y equal 0, so we can figure out where it's going. The line is going to intercept the x-axis. So let's go ahead and plug 0 into the original equation. Okay, and then if I do 4 times 0, 4 times 0 is 0. So if I do 5x plus 0 equals 20, that's the same as saying 5x equals 20, because the 0 doesn't do anything. Let's go ahead and solve for x. Okay, so I got x is 4, but an x-intercept should be an ordered pair. So the x was 4 when the y was 0. So my x-intercept is 4, comma 0. Okay, let's go ahead and find the y-intercept. To find the y-intercept, we let the x value equal 0. And I'm going to go back to the original equation again and start over. Now 5 times 0 is 0, so 0 goes away. So I have 4y equals 20. I'm going to go ahead and solve for y. Y is 5, but remember y is 5 when x is 0. So the ordered pair for the y-intercept is 0, comma 5. So when you find the x and y-intercept, they're generally two different points. Okay, and that's how we can draw the line, because we need 2 points. Okay, so this is the x-axis. On the x-axis, I'm going to go to 4, 0. I'm going to go right 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, up 0. It's on the x-axis, which makes sense. And then 0, up 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, up here. Okay. And 2 points is enough to make a line. So I'm going to go ahead and draw my line. Remember, your line goes forever. Arrows extended. Okay, next one, same thing. Just got to be careful with our signs. Okay, as a reminder, to find the x-intercept, we make the y value equal to 0. Okay, 2 times 0 is 0, so I'm not even going to bother writing it. So x equals 4 when y equals 0. That's my x-intercept. Okay, to find the y-intercept, we let the x equal 0. Okay, 3 times 0 is 0. So it goes away. Be careful, make sure you bring down the minus 2y, because the minus and the 2 are attached and they cannot be separated. Okay, so when I plugged in x equals 0, I got y equals -6. So my ordered pair is x is 0, y is -6. Now that I have both intercepts, I can graph them, and I should get a line. So the x-intercept is to the right 4, up 0. Y-intercept, right 0, down 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, line long, extended with arrows. Let's do one more together. Okay, x-intercept. Let's make the y 0. And you don't have to write that every time. I'm trying to make you write it enough time that you remember it. Okay, 3 times 0 is 0. So that's going to go away. So I'm going to bring down the x equals -3. And it's already solved for me. So the x is -3 when the y is 0. Now let's find the y-intercept. Now to find the y-intercept, I make x equal 0. Okay, 0 plus 3y is just 3y. 3y equals -3. So y equals -1 when I plug in x is 0. So 0, -1. Now let's go ahead and graph -3, 0, 1, 2, 3 on the x-axis, and then on the y-axis, 0, down 1. And 2 points is enough to get the graph, so let's extend our line, put arrows at the ends. Okay, go ahead and try the practice problems on the back, check your answers with the calendar when you're done.